This is our lesson number 7 and the topic is algebraic expressions and algebraic formulas. In this lesson, we will learn the second last formula, which is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. So in the last 5 lessons, we have discussed all these formulas. We are here now. So you have to be very careful in this formula and in this formula, right? There is a difference. These are totally different from each other because this is a plus b whole cube, right? Whole cube. So when it is whole cube, it is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. But now we are discussing a cube plus b cube. This is not the whole cube. It is cube is on the top of a and cube is on the top of b. So whenever you will see any integer or any variable, they have individual cube. So it will be equal to a plus b. Whatever you will see here, we will consider it as a, and whatever you will see here, we will consider is at a b, but this is the general formula. So a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b multiply by a square minus ab plus b square. We will solve some questions related to this formula, and here I will show you how to prove this formula as well. So this is the formula a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square, right? And again, there is no sign between these two parentheses. It means there is a multiplication sign. And if you will see this dot here, it means also the multiplication. If someone asks you, or if you have a question in your book to prove it, that how come a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square equal to a cube plus b cube, so here is the proof. I will show you, right? If someone asks you to prove it, so just write down this expansion here, a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. Again, there is no sign, so it means multiplication, right? I repeat many times the same thing. In this way you will learn, right? So first you have to multiply this parenthesis with this parenthesis one by one, and you know that when we multiply, we add the exponent of the same variable, right? So first we will multiply with a square. So this is a and the exponent is 1 and this exponent is 2, so it will be a cube because we are multiplying. In multiply you have to add the power, right? And then you have to multiply with minus ab, so it will be minus a square because a and a will be a square, and then it will be b. See, now you have to multiply with b, so it will be ab square. So this is finished. Now start with b. Same thing. We will multiply one by one. So it's b with a. It will be a square b. Then minus ab square because a is one time, b two times, and then b will be b cube. Now in the next step we will arrange. So a cube will remain the same, and this is minus a square b here, and then this one is also the plus a square b here. This is plus a b square, this is minus b a b square and b cube, right? Now we will do addition or subtraction. A cube will remain the same because we do not have any more a cube. This is minus a square b and this is plus a square b, right? Exactly, they are same. A square b b, and they do not have any coefficient, so it means they have one coefficient. Suppose you have one candy and you gave this candy to your friend. How many left? 0. So it means they will cross out each other. Similarly, a plus ab square minus ab square, exactly they are same. Ab square and the coefficient is 1, right? So they will cancel out each other. So what is remaining? Plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube equal to, which I said, a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square, right? If someone asks you to prove it, very easy, just multiply, you will get this answer. But again, in algebra, you should be very, very careful in operations or in signs, right? So we are going to solve some questions to understand this concept, but we will use this formula, right? So in order to understand the concept, you should know the formula. I have mentioned this formula here again. It will make it easy. So question is 27 plus 8x cube. It seems that it is difficult, but this is the easiest question, I say, right? Just you have to be very careful. See, it is the cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube. So, and you have 2. This is the integer. I said instead of a, this is the general formula. And instead of a or b, you can have any integer on any variable. So, instead of a, we have 27 here. And instead of b, we have 8x cube. So, what you have to do, first we have to make these number according to this in cube root. Cube. So, 27 is the cube of 3. It means if I can write down 3 times, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 times 9, 3 times 27. So it is the 3 cube, right? We can write down 27 like this. What about 8? I told you 8 is the cube of 2. If I will write down 2 3 times, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, you will get 8. So 2x whole cube. Right? So we have converted this question according to this a cube plus b cube. So 27 is the cube of 3 and 8x cube is the cube of 2x. So now this is our a. Do not say that this is our a. Now 3 is a and 2x is b. Now we will follow this formula. Wherever you will see here a, you have to write down 3, and wherever you will see b, you have to write down 2x. Okay, so now is a plus b. A, what is a? A is 3. We will write down 3 plus b, right? B is 2x. So plus 2x. So we have solved this part. This is 3 plus 2x. Now come to the second part. It is a square. So a is 3, right? So you can make a parenthesis here. A square minus ab. What is a? A is 3 and b is 2x. So minus 3 multiplied by 2x plus b square. What is b? B, we have 2x. So make the square 2x square, because this is b square and this square is on the top of 2 as well as on the top of x as well. Now 3 plus 2x will remain the same, this part. And here is 3 times 9. It does not mean 3 2 times 6. 3 times 9 minus 6x. 3 2 times 6x plus 2 times 4, 4x square, and this is the answer. Right? What you have to do? First, whatever question you have to see it is the cube. This is the cube. This is the cube. Then you have to convert this cube according to this formula, and just you have to follow this formula. One more question, we will solve it. Same thing again, I have mentioned the formula here, so it will be easy for you. A cube plus b cube, both integers or both numbers should be the cube. So this is 8x cube plus 125y cube. Just think that what we should write down here in order to make it the cube. 8x cube. 8x cube is the cube of 2x whole cube. If you will write down 2 3 times, x 3 times, you will get 8x cube. What about 25? It is the cube of 5. 5 cube means 3. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 125. So we can write down 5y whole cube. The same thing we have written according to this formula. Now we will expand it. Write a plus b. So what is, wherever you will see a, you will write down 2x, but wherever you will see b, you have to write down 5y. So a plus b, a is 2x, b is 5y plus 5y. First part we did it, so easy. Now come to the second, a square is 2x. So 2x whole square minus AB. A is 2x and B is 5y. 2x and 5y. And then B square, 5y square. Now we will open it. 2 times 4, 4x square, 5 2 times 10, 10xy minus 25. It means 5 2 times 25y square, right? So in this lesson you have learned how to expand a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. And I have proved this for you. If someone asks you to prove it, just multiply these two parentheses, you will get this answer. If still you have any question regarding a cube plus b cube, you can write down in the comment section. I can try my best to solve it as soon as possible. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Sci My Academy, and thank you.